Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be covering Walmart. As of today, this stock has fallen 8%, and we're going to be talking about should you buy, sell, hold, and kind of what's going on with the company. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comments. So kind of what's been going on with Walmart. Well, looking at the chart, you'll notice a couple of things. You'll notice this huge move where the stock pretty much went from about $134 all the way up to $160. Now, during this time, they did announce some very, very strong earnings right in this time frame, and the stock just started to skyrocket up. It hit $160 and then just stair-stepped its way down. Now, during this time, Walmart did announce an earnings, and they got literally obliterated where the stock fell about 30%. It went from about $150 all the way down to $117, one of the largest falls Walmart has ever seen in a single trading day, right? Looking at the chart, you'll notice just how drastic this crash was during this time. Now, as of right now, we noticed that the stock kind of consolidated for a while, moved its way up to about $132, and then today got obliterated again, went from about $130 all the way back down to $121. Now, the reason why we had this fall was because Walmart pretty much slashes their outlook, right? They pretty much came out and said, hey guys, well, we know over the past quarter we haven't been doing well, and that quarter is going to follow up with another quarter, right? We're going to miss on some earnings. It's just not going to be the greatest. And this pretty much caused a whole bunch of panic, a whole bunch of sell-off where the stock fell 8%, right? Why would you want to hold a stock that it isn't going to perform as well as you think, right? And that's kind of what we've seen. Now, answering that question of should you buy Walmart? Everybody loves to jump in, say, should you buy Walmart? Well, I definitely think right now there's a couple of things. Walmart has heavy support right here at about $118, right? Every time it hit that price, we've gotten natural buying pressure. So it hit it once, hit it twice. Right now, we're kind of still in this middle ground where, yes, we could get some buying pressure just because of that sell-off, because any reaction in the market is often an overreaction. So, yes, we could get a little bit more buying pressure, but realistically, we could continue down here just like it did in here where we had that crash and it just continued its way down. I definitely think that is the more likely situation that I definitely, see this stock falling down to about $115, $117 a share before we get some sort of reversal. Now, a lot of people like to say, Carter, are you buying it? Well, personally, I definitely think anytime you have sell-off in a stock, it often brings opportunity to buy in. Well, when a company or a company comes out and says, "Hey, we're not going to be looking so hot on the next quarter," I personally kind of like to see what happens, right? I like to take a step back and say, okay, let's just wait, right? If anything, what's going to happen is we're going to have a little bit more sell-off and I can just buy in at a better price. Or what we could happen is that earnings comes out and somehow it's better and the stock pops up again. Which one do you think is more likely? The company already pretty much stated that earnings is not going to be as good. So I think that's the way to go if you're going to buy it. Wait for that earnings to come out. Try to get in near and around that 117 price and under. I think for me that represents the buy zone. Now, often, a good strategy that I always think is dollar cost averaging. So pretty much what you do is you just invest on a weekly, monthly basis into this stock or company or investment. Now, the reason why that works so well is because if the company continues to go up, you have shares to make money. But the beauty of it is when the stock sells off, just like we've seen, what happens is you average down that price, right? You average down. Now, once the stock recovers, you make a lot more money, okay? Now, another thing you have to understand is Walmart said people aren't spending like they used to. And I completely agree with that. The reason why is because, a couple of years ago when everybody was getting stimulus, when they were getting, $1,400, people were buying. The economy was starting to come back. Now we have high inflation, we have high interest rates, and overall the retail sector just in general has been getting obliterated, right? We have ticker symbol TG, whoops, it didn't come across, TGT, which is Target, and look at their stock. This stock went from 250 all the way down to 150, lost a lot of momentum, and we'll probably see some continuation with that just because of the Walmart situation we have going on. So I think retail for me, I'm often just gonna kind of take a step back before I invest. Now I do have, some companies. I do have a little bit of Target that I dollar cost average, a little bit of Walmart, and a little bit of Home Depot. And I'm dollar cost averaging. So I'm just continuing to invest because I definitely think that we're still looking at a year and a half to 2 years at the minimum before we see some sort of reversal or positive, stuff with retail. And that's kind of my outlook with this, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed it. That's what I kind of see going on with Walmart and answering that question of should you buy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.